I'm from Anantapur. I've come to know about this clinic last year. I was searching for my hair transplant as I was going bald. You can't call it bald, but I was losing a lot of hair since the last 4 years. So I was checking with the clinics in Bangalore and Hyderabad, but Hyderabad was falling very nearby. So I was thinking for the clinic to get it done. But last year I have consulted. At that time my hair was good, so I was going through medications and all. But somehow I felt that more than the medicines, I need to get this transplant done so that I can get my looks back. So in that particular scenario, I again started searching in the last month. I've shortlisted 2 or 3. Out of them, new routes came first, and the procedure started yesterday, as you can see. So fingers crossed now. I'm looking for the results. Hopefully it will get well, and I'll definitely recommend them. Thank you.